Okay, folks, just a quick video to show you the problem that most people have with their cell phones and the Model 3. Okay, the Model 3 and Tesla decided to put in a nice little place for your cell phone to put it in there, and they included, these little lightning connectors or USB-Cs for Androids or anything other than an iPhone. So when you put it in, it doesn't fit in perfectly. Anyone that has a case, which most people have cases these days, this is pretty much one of the more thin cases on the market. It's no OtterBox or anything like that. But even with this, the charging port for this phone and most other phones is, somewhat recessed in there. So when you put it in, if you are able to find the docking connector and you put it on, it doesn't charge. See how it shows there that's not charging? Sometimes what you have to do is really crank it down. You don't want to press it too hard because you don't want to break your phone. You don't want to break the charging holder. But see, it finally went down there. And sometimes after a while, after you're driving around a while, it'll pop up and it'll come off charge and you won't even know it. You see, it came off charge. It didn't take much for it to come off charge. So, I'll bring this up to show it easier. As helpful as Tesla thought they were being, and as much as they wanted to help, this doesn't help. So here's a quick, painless, cheap solution that anyone can do. First off, you know how this lifts up. Everyone knows that if they've connected up, they know that it lifts up to put this in and feed it through. And you just move this to the left to take it off. And here's where you see the actual connector and how it is. And all this connector needs is for it to go up like a quarter of an inch or an eighth of an inch more, because it's just a little bit too low, at least for my case. So what I've done, I don't know if you can see that there. I don't know if the camera is focusing on my hand. Hopefully it is. It's a piece of cardboard. And that's all this is, folks. A little simple piece of cardboard. You can use paper folded up. You can use anything, a piece of plastic. It doesn't have to be thick. Like this is probably, what, an eighth of an inch or 16th of an inch thick. It doesn't need a lot. So it's a little tiny piece of, in this case, cardboard. And that's all it needs. And all I'm going to do, and I don't know if you can see this on the camera there, is push this connector up, slide this in underneath, and just wedge it in there. It's not going to damage the connector. It's not going to damage this holder. It's not even damage the cardboard, because at the end of the day, it's just cardboard. And that's all you need to do is put it in like that. It needs to sit flush enough that this bottom piece of trim can slide back over, which in this case it slides back over. Put it back down. You can see already that it's sticking up a little bit more. Mine's a little bit of an angle. You can actually fix that and just reposition the cardboard so it doesn't go on much of an angle. Slide the plastic holder back on, and now I'll keep this up just so you can see it. But normally this would be, as we all know, be like that. Now when I go to put it on, look at that. Right away, you can see it going in, and you can feel it clicking in. Like, I don't know if you can't hear it, and I know you can't feel on the video, but when I put it in, it solidly locks in, and that took all of, 30 seconds, a minute, and it costs nothing. It's a little tiny piece of cardboard. It's not even corrugated cardboard there. That was some kind of compressed cardboard. You want something a little thick and compressed that it won't lose its shape and then eventually get compressed down that it defeats the whole purpose in about 2 or 3 days. So that's it. The phone's a little crooked there, but you put this on, and that is it, folks. That is that simple to rectify and fix that problem. Now, when I come in and I put my phone down, it charges every single time. This is a temporary fix for me. This could be a permanent fix for you, but this is a temporary fix for me because in a couple days, I am getting a wireless charger, and we'll do a little quick review on that and show you how that works. I have a feeling it's going to work pretty good. But for people that don't have wireless charging, any kind of Qi connector on the newer phones or they have older phones, this would be a good solution. Like I said, clicks in every time, and it costs absolutely nothing. Thanks for watching, folks. If you have any comments or questions, put it down in the comment section below. And if you want a link to that piece of cardboard I got, I'll put it down in the description, but you can't find it anywhere but your house. See you later, folks. Take care.